Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll show you how to quickly export your designs as images in Canva. Click Create, then select Custom Size and enter your desired dimensions. Next, Continue. Click Elements, select Image, then choose any photo you want to insert. Add a premium photo to your design, then insert another element to complete the layout. We can't download just one element, so let's search for elements here instead. Let's add sparks to enhance this photo design. First, apply the initial spark effect as shown. Next, search for a white spark to complement the design. This will add brightness and detail to your photo. This is the design. Now let's save the photo. To save or export your photo in Canva, click Download and choose your preferred file format. You can download the file as a PNG or JPEG image, or choose PDF for printing. Select the option that best suits your needs. Let's try using a JPEG file now. Increase the size to maximize the image quality. With the Canva Premium account, simply click the Download button. Click Export to save your image from Canva. Now you know how to export images in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more easy design tips.